Okay, in my previous videos, I was explaining to you the normal distribution on the calculator. This video is about using your calculator to find the binomial distribution. Now, as you know, the formula for the binomial distribution is NCR Q power n minus R and P power R. So n in this case is 12. I'm trying to calculate the probability for 3. So 0 0.8, 12 minus 3, 0 0.2 power 3. Now, when you have a lot of these binomial distribution questions, it's tough to calculate each of them by writing them down on a calculator. So what you do is you can go to binomial probability distribution, and since you just want to calculate one of these, you can just say variable. You put in your value for x, that's the probability that I'm trying to calculate. My n is 12 and p is 0.2, and the calculator can do the computations on its own.